Hey guys, Sandy here, and today we are putting together my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of June. I've made my iced tea, so I am ready to go. Now, I know what my paper is going to be for this kit this month, but other than that, I don't have anything. So this is the Hello Sunshine Remix collection pack from Lawn Fawn, and I am super excited. I'm going to pull this out and show it to you guys. And lay it out, and then we're going to build the kit together. So it's going to kind of be like a live thing instead of just me showing you what I've done. So this is, it says Hello Sunshine on this side, and on this side it's like stars and moons. We have some heart banners, and then some polka dots. We have bumblebees in pink, and then this blue and white grid. We have rainbows and hearts and stars, and then this yellow sunburst pattern. Got this beautiful diagonal stripe, and then on the back it's gray. We have these rain clouds with white raindrops and colorful raindrops, and then on the back it says, "Oh, happy day." And then it is the reverse. So I will put down whatever side I did not put down on the top is where I will do this. So this is the collection, and it is bright, colorful, and fun. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some stickers. So let me grab my stickers and we will flip through and see what we can add to the kit. Okay guys, so I went and grabbed my thickers and flat 12 by 12 stickers and chipboard 12 by 12 or 6 by 12 I should say box, and I'm just gonna flip through and we're gonna find some stuff that coordinates. And this one I grabbed right off the top because it is rainbow colors. This is Let's Dance. It's from Amy Tangerine. So we're just gonna flip and see if there's anything that will work. Now do I want to bring in gold or silver? We'll put this one back because I'm not sure which I want to bring in yet. Ooh, things are falling out. Probably not that. So I'm just trying to flip through and see if there's anything that catches my eye. Now this is too much. Now as you guys know, I have a hang up where I can't stand too much of other people's handwriting, and then you can see that these are the same. So we're gonna put that one back. Let's see, I do have the Let's Wander, but these are a little bit orangier and kind of dingier. So we're not going to bring in that. I've got a couple little things in this one, so I'm going to pull this one down because I want to finish this up. So we're going to pull that one out. I'm going to pull this one out because there's, you know, a good amount gone out of that as well. This was in my last kit, but I feel like it is still appropriate, so we'll pull that out. Not that one. I like these black words, so we're going to leave that one. Let's see what else we can do. These label stickers. We'll pull those out. I feel like there's enough there that I can work with that. There's just a couple of those left, so we'll try to get those used up. Let's see, what else do I have in here? Ooh, these Jen Hadfield stickers. Lots of animals in this. Why did I even buy this? There are a lot of animals in this one. And I am usually not a scrapbooker of the animals. I'll bring that in, see what I can do with it. Now this is a sticker sheet that I've had for a while. These are 2015. Still, it's, I guess it's not too much more of her handwriting, so we're gonna try to use those. Let's see if there's any. I'm not gonna pull those in because I don't feel that they really match. Let's see if there's any chipboard that might be able to bring in. Lots of this chipboard is cream based, and this is definitely white. I'll bring in those two. I think that'll work. Okay, so that is it for those stickers. Now I'm gonna bring in my other stickers, and this is everything else. Everything else. So I'm just gonna have a quick flip through this. We'll add those in there because those could probably be used up. Maybe some black and white cameras, since it seems like black and white is going to be the accent for this. We'll pull those in as well. Pull those in. Maybe we can use up the rest of those. I'm just flipping through quickly because I don't need to have, you know, every single thing under the sun. So if it catches my attention, I'm going to grab it, and if it doesn't, we're just going to move on. Those little hearts we'll bring in. Now, I don't expect to use all of this for sure, but it's definitely something that can be added. Bring those in. They were in my kit last month as well, and I used a good amount of them, but I have a whole other, like, that's a combination of these two things, and I have 2 other full sets of these, so we're gonna try to use that partial set up. What else do we have? Get those used up. Okay, what else can we add in here to get these things used up? I feel like the Chamel sticker book will be a good one. What else do we have in here? Ooh. This sticker sheet from Close to My Heart is a good one. What else do I want to add into this? I feel like my kit is getting a little bit large, and I'm kind of losing control with what is in there. So I think that's going to be it for stickers and embellishments, because that's a lot of options, you guys. That's a lot of options. Okay. What else do we need? We need some more options for texture-y stuff. So let us add in these bad boys. These were in my kit last month, and these bad boys, or these bad boys. Which ones? These are kind of, we'll go with those. I need to add in my peel offs for the month, so let's see which ones I want to add on. Let's do I want to do the yellow rickrack again? No, I did those. Okay, let's do those, the pinstripes. We will add which other one do we want to add here? Maybe some white ones. And I think we got to add some black ones, but let's do the glitter black ones. Okay. So we got the peel offs. We're going to bring in these. These are really old chipboard tiny words. We're going to bring in those. This kit's getting huge, guys. This kit is getting huge. And my daughter's over here yelling glitter paste at me. So let's add some glitter paste. Okay. We're going to add carnation because I feel like there's some pink in here. I need to see I'm losing my mermaid scale. Well, this one's almost gone. Like, I don't even know if there's enough to do. That one's almost gone, you guys, so I'm going to use this, I think, on a layout today. So we're just going to set that one to the side. We won't use mermaid scales today. What we will do, however, is bring in... Are these the same color as Esmeralda green? Yes, they are. What I am going to do is bring in this Nouveau one. And then, let's see, what other glitter glaze do I want to bring in? Actually, what I think I'm going to do is bring in these shimmer flakes. That way I can make a shaker. So I got the pink and the blue glitter glaze. I got some shimmer flakes for a shaker. What else do I want to bring in? I feel like I'm missing something that I usually put on layouts. What am I missing? What am I missing? Ooh, let's do some sequins. Let's throw some sequins in there. We're going to bring in these rainbow little bits from Dress My Craft. And then let's see sequins. Trying to see if any of the new mixes really go great. Do not. So let's see what I've got going on in my older mixes here. Tweaky Teal, definitely add that. And Vintage Dowry, we'll add those. So here we have those, and I think that's, oh guys, letter stickers. How am I going to scrapbook without letter stickers? What color should we go with? We need a black. We definitely need a black because black is the accent color. So I'm bringing in these. These are both the same ones, but for some reason I opened both of them. So I'm going to bring in the black ones. And do I want to bring in any other color? No, I think that's going to be it. So this is my How to Kill a Kit with Style this month, guys. I'm happy with this kit. I feel like it's pretty bright and colorful, so go ahead, click the links down below. You'll be able to see everyone else who is playing this month, and then you'll be able to see the layouts that I make as well. So hit subscribe if you haven't done that already. Ring that bell so you get notifications, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.